The ad hoc guidelines for dealing with violators of health protocols remain unchanged. Only this time they have been set in stone, inked officially by the chiefs of the Justice Department, local government departments, and the police force. PTV correspondent Patrick De Jesus on a salient feature of the memo of the delineation for violators' dismissal of charges, preliminary probe, and inquest proceedings in this report.
The joint memorandum circular between the DILG, DOJ, and PNP was released today on the guidelines governing violations of health and safety protocols. It was signed by DILG Secretary Eduardo Año, DOJ Secretary Menardo Guevara, and PNP Chief Police General Guillermo Eleazar. The 5-page JMC states that the guidelines are effective nationwide whatever community quarantine classification is implemented or in effect. For the DILG, they must ensure that local chief executives are implementing their health and safety-related ordinances, while directing them to designate holding areas for violators to avoid overcrowding in regular cells. There is also a provision now that will hold local officials accountable if they fail to implement said protocols based on the local government and revised penal codes. The PNP, meanwhile, is tasked to assist LGUs and ensure the arrest of violators is based on local ordinances, and criminal law procedure must be followed for warrantless arrest. And for the DOJ, inquest prosecutors must process immediately the cases of warrantless arrest related to violation of health protocols so that resolution can be attained immediately, whether there is probable cause or none. The joint memo aims to eliminate confusion among the public and even law enforcement agents, as some have attended super spreader events and disregarded protocols which President Rodrigo Duterte also noticed.
Kaya nga, kung may presidential directive na ganito ang gusto na mangyari ng presidente sa mga violators, then there may be a need, no, to harmonize yung mga existing ordinances ng mga various local LGUs, no, cities and municipalities across the country.
Wala namang nabago mula last year hanggang ngayon, except na nakita namin ni Secretary Guevara na mas maganda magkakaduktong lahat.
Patrick De Jesus for the Nation.